going on here? Some sort of sorcery?
Lucky. Let's grab the keys and go. We're heading out.
POL?
That's it.
Lunch?
Lunch? Let's do it.
Tires?
Let's do it. What's up?
Open that door. I gotta detail it. Good to go.
Let's do it. Little black compound. Why are we pulling over?
Hey, what's that noise?
Oh, crap. Why is it red all over the dash? I think we need some fuel. That doesn't sound good.
Head southeast on exit 23B toward Beach Boulevard. In 500 feet, use the right two lanes to turn right onto Beach Boulevard.
That's like one of those machines at the hospital when you're sitting there and you're
Exactly. Clear.
shit's going bad.
Clear.
We gotta go find some gas.
Yeah.
So we're out here getting some gas, but hey, you know what, Lucky? We should have this guy follow us. The tanker getting over there. So we're gonna have the tanker follow us. Oh God, they are millionaires. That's right. So we're gonna have those guys follow us. We'll see. Ouch. That hurts. God dang it. All right, so we made it here. We are in Fontana at the Auto Club Speedway. We've got Lucky, there's Gary from Aldan American. We're gonna take a hot lap around here and check everything out. Looks like some pretty cool stuff out here, so let's go check it out. so many nice cars out here. A lot of people doing the autocross. Wait, what is this? What is this? Dude. All right, so tell me about this. What are we doing out here today?
Well, Sassafras has been wanting to run, so I brought out my 1986 crew cab dually, dummy low crew cab dually.
This is not supposed to be on an autocross track.
Says who?
Exactly. This is badass. Hey, what's your Instagram?
Long Beach Gearhead.
Oh, we got it right here. Let's actually check it out. Make sure you follow this guy. Good ass dude, amazing welder, good friend of ours. So what are you thinking you're gonna do out here today?
You know, I've never done this before. I've always wanted to do it.
Yeah.
And my Nova's not quite ready, so I figured, hey, why not? It's a Chevy. Got a nice LS in it. Let's give it a shot.
Let's give it a shot.
I heard the other two dualies did a 50.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, there's two more out here?
They're both 6BT swaps.
Okay.
They're diesels. So I'm saying a 45.
You do a little one-up. All right.
Yeah. Let's see what the LS does over the.
Very cool. Well, we're gonna stand by. How long do you think? Is the light moving pretty quick?
So I'm assuming it's this one next.
Okay.
And that square body just went twice.
Oh, did it? Okay.
So I'm thinking maybe a few more minutes.
2 more minutes. All right. We're gonna stand by and get this on video. Good luck, dude.
Thanks, Mark. Appreciate it.
To come together and put this thing on for you.
I'm digging this. This is maybe one of my favorites so far. Big wheel drag car on the autocross track.
That's the right hood for your kids, correct?
We've got some really good food going on over there. So let me tell you, it is not cheap to rent this parking lot. And for them to do this as a free way for you guys to be able to race.
that's a wrap. Good day out here in Fontana. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. What do they say? Smash the like button. Make sure you follow this clown. He's got some cool stuff in the works. All right, guys. See ya.